Dahil sa mahal na ng mga bilihin ngayon, hirap ka din ba mag-isip ng snack or merienda sa abot kayang halaga pero swak din sa panlasa? Well, I got you. Because for today's recipe ay 3 main ingredients lang ang kakailanganin natin. Good day mga moms! This is Mommy Irene again, ang inyong kusinera. And for today's video ay gagawa tayo ng inday-inday or cassava balls. So tara, let's get started. For our main ingredient, syempre gagamit tayo ng cassava or kamoting kahoy. Ito ay 1 kilo. Balatan lang natin ito. This colorful cassava balls reminds me of my childhood kasi isa ito sa favorite snack ko during recess. Hindi ako sure kung nag-i-exist din ba ang snack na ito sa lugar nyo, so please let me know sa comment section. Pero sa aming mga Bisaya, ito ay native delicacy. After natin ito mabalatan, slice each piece of the cassava into half lengthwise and remove natin yung tough fibrous core, yung parang ugat sa loob. Then finally, grate cassavas either by hand with a grater or gadgaran, or in my case, gumamit ako ng food processor para mas mabilis. And you may need to cut the cassava into pieces first to fit in the food processor. Nag-add ako ng konting water para hindi mahirapan ang ating food processor. Then process natin until fine na yung texture ng ating cassava. Now using a strainer or malinis na tela, press or squeeze out natin yung liquid. Yung liquid na makukuha nyo from the freshly grated cassava, pwede nyo i-set aside muna for few minutes. Then after few minutes, mapapansin nyo may sediments or starch na namumo sa bottom. Discard nyo lang yung liquid, then yung starch ay pwede nyo ihalo sa ating mixture para mas makunat yung magiging outcome. Now add 1 cup ng sugar and 1 cup ng coconut milk. Yung traditional talaga na inday-inday dito sa amin ay cassava lang, sugar, and food coloring. Then pinapagulong lang ito sa grated coconut. Coconut milk is optional, pwede kayong mag-add, pwede din kahit wala na. Mas malinamnam lang at mas masarap pag may coconut milk. Mix everything well, then para makakreate tayo ng makulay na cassava balls, divide natin ito into 3 equal parts, then add your choice of food coloring. At kung umabot ka man sa part ng video na ito at hindi ka pa nakapag-follow, please like and follow our page for more easy home cook recipes. At mega shoutout na rin to Jacqueline Silvano, to Leo Carrasco ng Hamilton, New Zealand, to Joyce Terizo, to Lea Fontanilla ng Province of Quirino, and to Mary May April Francisco ng Cebu. Thank you po for watching. So gumamit lang ako ng measuring spoon para pantay yung laki ng ating balls. Then using the palm of your hand, roll lang natin ito into a perfect balls. And yes, we're going to steam our cassava balls. So dapat yung tubig ng ating steamer ay kulong-kulo na. Then spray muna natin yung ating steamer basket with oil para maiwasan na dumikit yung ating cassava balls. Then steam natin ito for 20 minutes. Yung traditional talaga na inday-inday dito sa amin ay coated lang talaga ng grated coconut. So nilevel up ko lang ito to add flavor sa ating cassava balls. Ito ay grated coconut, toasted sesame seeds, and sugar. And after 20 minutes, immediately coat our cassava balls with our prepared coating at tuhugin ito gamit ang barbecue stick. And as easy and simple as that, makakagawa ka na ng cassava balls or inday-inday kung tawagin dito sa amin. You know what mga moms, minsan naisip ko, it takes less effort and just few ingredients to make a simple, delicious food or snack at mas nai-enjoy natin ito kainin, especially those foods we grew up with. Because it reminds us a lot of childhood memories. And I hope na nagustuhan nyo at nabigyan ko kayo ng idea kung paano gumawa ng masarap na merienda sa abot kayang halaga. This is Mommy Irene again, ang inyong kusinera. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye!